Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, then a big welcome. I am Rachel and this is my daughter Eleanor. Come say hi, Eleanor. Sorry, she's just doing her makeup at the moment.
Hi.
So today is a really exciting day for us. As you have probably guessed from the title of the video, we are going to pick up our little Cockapoo puppy. She's a little girl and she is a chocolate one. And because of lockdown, we have not actually met her in person. We've just seen her on a video. So we've had video calls. So this is really exciting for us. So she is about half an hour away drive. So I've just got to go pop into town, get some money out, and then we will be heading over to pick her up. So you might have seen Eleanor's video that she uploaded yesterday. You will have seen everything that we have bought for her. We've tried to think of everything. We've got dogs before, as you know, if you are familiar with our channel. We've got two little miniature schnauzers who are 5, 2 girls. So we're going to try and introduce them carefully to our new addition.
Yeah.
I'm sure they will like having a little sister when they get used to her.
I think Holly will because she's very playful.
Yeah, she's...
And if you know, we did have a dog before.
Yeah.
So we have had 3 dogs and she loved to play with him. Yeah, so I think she'll love to... Because Millie doesn't like to play like tuggy and stuff like...
But Holly does.
She?
So
yeah.
She's going to have a new playmate and hopefully Millie's not too jealous. Hoping she might be like a bit of a mum.
Yeah.
Like want to look after her a bit. That's the hope, but we will see. So we will show you hopefully when we get her. We're going to pick her up now. So guys, we have just got her and she's absolutely beautiful.
She's so cute.
Oh, little darling. Taking you home to meet your sisters?
Yeah, little baby.
She's so tiny, isn't she?
I thought she was going to be bigger than this. I was like, oh my god.
Oh, look at her little brown nose.
Oh, so cute. I ain't got any food.
Her mum was really friendly, wasn't she? She's lovely.
Yeah, she's lovely. Black and tan, wasn't she?
Yeah. Said Mum were ready to get rid of them there.
Yeah.
They usually are.
Yeah.
Right, let's take you home then, Princess.
Why is she crying? What are you crying at?
Because she's away from her mum and her siblings for the first time. So, come on then. What we're calling her? Thinking Daisy or Mabel. Come on, Daisy. Mabel. We think she's hungry because she last got her fed at 6:30 this morning.
Yeah, she's really hungry. Shall we put this on?
So we're going to give her some food, aren't we, sweetheart?
Yeah.
That's a blanket from Mummy. Oh. Girls are eager to meet you, but we won't do that just yet. We're going to give you some food, sweetheart. Yes. Because we think you got a hungry tummy. She was a bit cryy in the car. Weren't you, darling? You didn't like the car, did you, sweetheart? Hey? No, you weren't keen on the little car. Have some din-dins. Are you gonna have some din-dins, sweetheart? Yes, hello, gorgeous. Is that ball a bit big for you, sweetie?
See, what's this? What's that? What's this? She's a little bit unsure.
Yeah. everybody wants to meet. She's a little scrumptious bear, aren't you? Oh, she likes to give kisses. Don't really like kisses. Don't really like doggy kisses. I think you're a little cuddle monster, aren't you? Oh.
Hello.
You don't seem to want a food yet, but she's probably just gonna get used to your surroundings, aren't you, sweetheart?
Yeah.
My little chicken. You just brought her outside to see if she wants to look the wee or anything. Look at her little tail wagging. I got the treats, but you'll have to just put them in half, I think. Has she had a wee or anything yet? Hello, gorgeous. Look at you, you're all chunky. Oh, oh, what are you doing? Oh, look at the little tail wagging. You might have to break it up a bit. It's quite a big chunk for a little puppy. Did she have a bit of it?
No. Good girl.
She likes it out here, doesn't she, I think?
Yeah. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Want a treat? Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh.
Makes me laugh how she runs.
Yeah, you're eating a treat. Come here, come here. Want a treat? Oh, so I ain't got you one. A little teeny bit. Good girl. There
We're
we
feeding
are.
her on raw out, so we're going to have to just transition her a little bit.
Are you going? Are you going? Trying to tire her out a bit.
All these smells. Do you want to go in now? Can you do a little wee wee first?
Good girl. Going to play?
I won't give her any more treats because we want her to eat food, don't I? Oh look, there's my flowers.
No eating flowers.
No eating flowers, no. Definitely no eating flowers. You have to be careful, won't we? Because the daffodils can be poisonous.
Are you chasing me? Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Are you getting me?
We won't let her out unsupervised anyway,
No.
we'll always be with her
Good
until she's older.
Good girl.
Oh, she's so sweet. I wasn't expecting her to be so small.
No. Hey, go get me. Hey, go get me. Hey, go get me.
She's had her first injection yesterday as well, so
He's in. Say
a
bye.
few more weeks and then we'll be able to take you out. Oh wait. There's lots to explore at home.
What are you doing? You're my slippers. Oh, chicken little monkey. Cheeky little monkey. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. He's a cutie boy. Yeah. Come on. Oh, no. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. I know. You know.
Need to get rid of all these bags that you cleaned your pets out, didn't you? So I need to put them in the bin.
Right, we need for her to do a wee or whatever she wants to do, don't we?
She's a very licky puppy, isn't she?
Yeah.
Look at her. Oh, it's a bird. Have you not heard a bird before?
poo and then go do your business.
So she just took herself into her bed, didn't you, sweetheart? I think it's time for a little nap now. Sleepy. I think she's just taken herself into her bed. I think she might want a nap, all that running about.
Yeah.
Have you seen the colour of her eyes?
No. So cute. Oh, so biscuit.
We had a little introduction to Millie, but she was scared. She was clinging on to me, so we'll just do it gradually, won't we?
Yeah.
We're having a little bit of an introduction session.
She's had a nap and she's just done a wee and poo outside.
She's a good girl. I think they might be a bit big, but
Yeah.
we've let the girls in and we've given them a chew.
I'll give her.
Holly.
Holly, no, come on, get your mum. Just give her that, because I think she can just have these little trees here. No, my finger isn't a treat. Holly.
Look at her little tail wagging.
Oh no, she's so cute. Oh yeah, okay. She's coming out of her shell a little bit more now. Like she's
Good girl, Millie.
like she had a nap, and then as soon as she'd had a nap, I took her outside and she did a wee and poo.
Yeah.
And then I was just running with her about.
Good girl, Millie.
Yes. Her tails wags all the time. Like she's such a happy, a happy puppy.
Good girl, Holly.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You're a good girl, little girl. We don't know what to call her yet, do we?
Do you think she's a Mabel or a Daisy? Or a Posy? Or a Blossom?
Luana said Blossom, didn't she?
Yeah.
You got a wet mouth, didn't you? From
She
your
just had a
water?
drink, hadn't she?
She's hungry. A bowl's in her.
Oi, that's not yours,
She's
Holly.
got a teeny weeny bit of white on her chest.
Has she?
She's got like a little pinprick.
Her mum was black and tan, wasn't she? And her dad's like a red mini
Yeah.
poodle, so
She's
they haven't
sort
got any
of like
white.
a reddy brown, isn't she?
Yeah, she's a lovely colour.
Yeah, she is. Aww.
Girls are doing well with her, aren't they?
Yeah. Yeah. Really good girl. Come here.
Millie's got one of the toys
Yeah.
and she squeaked it, and little Bella, Mabel, Daisy, whatever we're going to call her, was like, ooh, what's that?
Yeah, she was, isn't she?
So maybe she'll get brave and want to play. I just can't get over how cute she is.
I know, she's so cute. And a little tail when she's running. You see when she's running towards you, its legs as well. Like they're just really short and she's like chubby and like...
Oh, I just saw a little tongue there.
Did you?
I think you might have to tie your hair back so she doesn't start.
Did you see that? Watch when I do this. It's a
Oh,
little
tiny little bit of white, yeah. Oh, you little cutie pie.
She's not like too poodly.
Good girl, Holly.
Really fluffy out here. Good girl. Ooh, why did she do that?
Holly's just sussing around.
Holly, come here. She's wanted it. Come on. Holly, come here.
Yeah, these Nature's Menus treats are going down well because they're just meat, aren't they?
Yeah. We got them when this is beef. Liver beef, she likes it. Oh. She's choking.
So guys, we really need your help here. What should we call her? Comment down below and we will see which is the most popular.
Holly.
We're thinking Blossom, Mabel, Daisy, Posey, what else? Have you got any other suggestions? Eleanor likes Leia, like Princess Leia, but I'm not sure. Not sure about that. So we'll leave that there for today. I'll just show you what she's doing. So she really likes these treats, look.
Right, alright, you can have.
But we want her to eat her food, not just treats.
Girls, next.
Girls are a little bit standoffish,
Holly, come here.
but I think they're doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Don't you?
Yeah.
Get a little tail wagging.
Oh, she's such a tail wagger, like.
So get ready for lots of puppy videos, guys. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, and then you get the then you will get the notifications when we upload a video. So thanks, bye.
Bye. You are obsessed
Bye from Mabel
with
Blossom.
treats.